Hi guys, welcome back to TGC Technical Gyan Center. May all of you are safe and happy. As usual, today again we have come up with an informative session. In continuation of introduction of new technique and simplified procedure, we are going to explain you how to interface MPG manual pulse generator in your Fanuc controller machine. Also, how you can add multiple MPGs in your machine. But first, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe by clicking on subscribe and also click the bell icon for getting the notification of our videos. And also please share with your friends and colleagues. Your one like and share us give more energy to research and present useful and informative knowledge to all you. Today's session is going to be very exciting. So without any more delay, let's start. Friends, MPG, that is manual pulse generator, is used for axis movement in handle mode. Generally, programmer and operator use MPG for doing setting, taking offset. Maintenance people also use the same sometimes for checking backlash of the machine. Remember, we have shown you the procedure for the same. So below are the parameters which are related to the MPG interfacing. So guys, whenever you want to interface MPG in your machine, then you have to set these parameters, and also if you are facing any problem with the same, then you have to check only these parameters. The first parameter is 8131 hash 0 bit, that is HPG. You have to make it 1. Remember friends, you must power off after doing this. Then change 7100 hash 0 bit to 1 and 7100 hash 1 bit to 1. These two are also make it 1. 0 bit is JHD, manual hand feed in jog feed mode or incremental feed in manual hand feed, and 1 bit is TSD, teach in jog mode. Then change 1434 equal to 2000. This is used for maximum manual handle feed rate for each axis. Then change 7114 equal to 100. It will depend upon the increment system of your axis. Similarly, below are the different parameters which need to be changed depend upon increment system of your axis. That is 7131 equal to 100, 7132 equal to 100, 7133 equal to 100, and 7134 should also be 100. What is 7131? It is simple manual handle feed magnification M2 second manual punch generator. Same is for 7132 manual handle feed magnification N2 manual pulse generator. Same is for other two parameters. One more important parameter is 7117. It is the allowable number of pulses that can accumulate during manual handle feed rate. Yes friends, this parameter sets the number of pulse from the manual pulse generator that exceeds the rapid transfer rate and can accumulate without being discarded if the manual handle feed rate faster than the rapid. By this way, the number of pulses exceeding the rapid transfer rate can be saved by CNC, and the amount of pulses B will be output as a pulses C. You can see the diagram. The amount of pulses B is calculated in two cases as follows. In case of parameter number 7117 equal to 0, the feed rate is clamped at rapid transfer rate and generated pulses exceeding the rapid transfer rate are ignored. In case of 7117, although the rotation of the manual pulse generator is stopped, if there are pulses accumulated in CNC, it will be the output and the tool will move as long as amount of it. Now we will see what are the signals which are have to be used for interfacing. G18.0, G18.1, G18.2 and G18.3 for the first MPG. G18.4, G18.5, G18.6 and G18.7 for the second MPG. G19.0, G19.1 and G19.2 and 3 for third MPG. G19.4 and G19.5 are for setting the micron limitation of MPG. 00 is for 1 micron, 01 is for 10 micron, 0 to 100 micron, and 11 is for 1000 micron. G43.0 and G43.1 and G43.2 001 for handle mode selection. By setting these, you can easily interface your MPG in your Fanuc controller. Hope my friends, I was able to clear your all doubts about MPG interfacing with your CNC machine having Fanuc controller. If you have any further doubts, please comment below on email us. We will love to hear from you. Also, please like this video to encourage us to come up with such important alarm and solutions and technique also, and save your production loss. Thanks for watching. This is your friend signing out from TGC Technical Gyan Center. Bye. Take care. Jai Hind.